All right, what's going on, folks? Mark right here on the YouTube. And you guys know the deal. If you don't like and subscribe, your ass is going to have bad luck for the next 20 years. So do your thing. 2020 F250 6.7 Powerstroke review on this truck. This truck's gotten some extra upgrades, which is nice. Just over 98,000 miles. It's received monotube front shocks, monotube rear shocks in service. It's currently riding on a set of 35 Firestone Destination MT2s. Hostile 20x12 wheels. This is a 3-in-1 ready lift kit. If you guys want to see all the upgrades that have been done to it, make sure you guys head into the description of this video. It'll tell you everything that's been done to this truck. 140-point inspection, fully serviced. She is ready to go. Truck does have a couple small flaws. This will be finished up finally, hopefully the next day, 2 days. The shop's just been extremely busy, so we're finally catching up with some of the inventory that we need. You have a little dent on the right rear part of the bumper. I'll have to check with cosmetics. I don't know if we're replacing that or not. It all depends, probably price range. Price range. Anyway, paint's in really good shape still. You can see how reflective the paint is. There's a light rub mark right here. This will come off. If you see it in the video, you won't be able to see it when you come back. This is a loaded up XLT, so it keeps you in that price range where you're not spending, you know, up into the 50s and 60s to buy a Lariat or Platinum or something like that. So big screen. It does have power seats. Interior still in really good shape. There's some dirt from getting in and out of it. 98,000 miles, like I said. It is a stock emissions truck, so it still does have all of its emissions equipment. Some people prefer it, some people don't. Do your thing. If you want to delete it, tune and delete it. You know what I mean? Currently, right now, it looks like a little old man truck. It's never been tuned or deleted. Tires have every bit of 85, 90% tread. Again, there's your shot of the frame. Frame's in really good shape. Wheels, couple small marks right there on the wheels. It looks like the paint's just flaked a little bit. Doesn't look like actual curb rash. Like I said, this is like a high metallic blue too. If you look at the paint, you can see the metallic in it. Right wheel looks good. Give you guys a shot of the undercarriage. Undercarriage, again, zero rust. Maybe a little bit of surface dirt, that's about it. This is a 2020. So like I said, price range, I think this truck's listed for 42 grand, 43 grand, I believe. Anyway, once it goes through final detail and we do just the final touch-ups, wet sand and buff the truck, it's going to look extremely good. So if you guys are seeing this truck now, it's going to look even better in the next 3 to 4 days. No major damage on the truck, like no big dents, dings anywhere. You had that one spot on the rear bumper and that's it. Doesn't even look like there's any rock chips on the hood. You do have one little dent right here in the front bumper. But you got to have some battle wounds, man. These trucks are used, you know? You got to have at least 3 to 4 battle wounds on a truck so you know that the thing's been doing work. It's been making you money. Interior factory OEM floor mats. Headliner looks really good. These come with factory aux switches if you guys need to wire anything in, or if you want us to wire anything in. We do all upgrades in-house. Anything from rear airbags. If you need a B&W hitch, fifth wheel, gooseneck, whatever you need, we can do it and install it right here before it's shipped to your doorstep if you want shipping. If not, you're more than welcome to pick the trucks up in person as well. We're located right here in Ladson, South Carolina, the greater Charleston area. Again, 2020 F250 four-wheel drive 6.7 stroker. Standing tall, priced aggressive, ready to move. If you guys have any questions, give us a call direct, 843-697-7501. Till next time, next video, it's your boy Mark right here, Deluxe Motorsports.